Hi guys, a quick one to help you with a bechamel sauce. So what I do is that I saute some onions. I already have them on the pan over there, and then I add some heavy whipping cream, salt, Philadelphia cheese, butter, and if you want to add garlic or onions, you can do that. So these are the onions that I'm going to saute, and I'm going to add some salt, pink Himalayan salt. You do want to melt the cheese very well. You just add about 1 cup, 1.5 of heavy cream. Add medium heat. And you are just going to simmer for about 5 minutes to your desired thickness. It takes about 5 minutes. You can just put it in a jar that you have to keep it for recipes. You can add onions, bacon, shrimp to do shrimp Alfredo, pasta Alfredo, keto pasta or regular pasta for your family. You can add mushroom. This is a very versatile sauce that you can do a lot of stuff with it. So I hope you enjoy it. You're done.